Welcome to Learning Tech with another informative video. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the more informative videos. So without wasting a time, let's move towards our topic. Hello viewers. Today I will tell you the 5 important steps to do smart study. Test yourself. Quiz yourself instead of just reading. Use flashcards or explain topics aloud. Study in parts. Break your work into small sections and study a little every day. Stay focused. Find a quiet spot, turn off distractions, and study in short, focused bursts, like 25 minutes. Use pictures and tricks. Draw charts, make diagrams, or use fun memory tricks to remember better. Take care of yourself. Sleep well, eat healthy, and take breaks to stay fresh and focused.